from Down Under, and again here with BMPRO's integration engineer based in Elka. Welcome back, Scott.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, no, that's all right. That's all right. We're happy to have you on board. You've got all the tech knowledge here, and we want to get this out, get everybody out there, whether you be a dealer or an RV user, actually understanding everything. And that actually reminds me of a good thing that we haven't actually told everybody out there. Make sure that if you want to go back and access these videos, they'll be on YouTube, but they're also on our website. That's teambmpro.com.
Yep.
Teambmpro.com. Right there. Got it? All right, let's get into it. Now, so what we did before was we showed you how to pair the tablet. So we paired the RVGenius back with the Node after we did a reboot.
Yep.
All right. What we're going to do now, just to prove to you that our mobile device and our RVGenius here on the wall are showing the same information, we're going to pair Scott's phone with the Node that's in the bowels of this RV, and we're going to show you that they have exactly the same information. Might even have a bit of a light war as we go. All right, so now you've downloaded the app already?
Yep, from the Apple Store, downloaded.
Oh, you're on an Apple.
That's right.
This is going to work, so an Apple can talk with Android together.
Absolutely.
Oh, wow, jeez. Don't know if Apple knows about this. All right, here we go. So, back on our home screen, it's just where it would normally come up. So here, the same as what happened before when we were pairing the other device, pairing the screen here. Press arrow until PA appears. Just going to slide my finger in there. PA is the first option up. It may come up with OF or S3, doesn't matter. Just cycle your way through until you get the letters PA. After that, you just saw Scott's press the next screen, and we press EXT. We press EXT, PA will flash, and our little arrows on our fancy logo are going to start swirling around. Don't worry about some of this extra stuff that's up here on the screen, but what you need to do is you need to go into your app. I'll go into my app.
Okay.
So here we are. So I'm going to go into mine. There it is. And we're going to see that we've got the same information. So here we are. Ambient temperatures are the same. Yep, exactly the same. Lights on and off. Here we go. So if we go into our light section, for example, we can turn these lights on and off, and you can see some of them are disappearing. Scroll down, and Scott can do exactly the same on his phone. Told you we can have a bit of a light war here. Turn them on and off, and it'll just, so both of you can operate the lights at any one time. So that's now 3 ways in which you can operate your lighting controls. One is via the RVGenius panel here. In fact, there's 4. There's also the buttons down the bottom where you can turn them on quickly, which we mentioned in a previous tech tip. You can do it on the phone, and you can do it on one of these devices. So we've got 4 ways now being able to control it. Now the same can do with the motors. We can now use the motors. Let's just go into temperature in that first though, Scott, so we can see that everything's still the same. So here we are. So we can turn it on, 69 degrees, 70. I can change this here, and I can go into fan. There you go. It's changed it to fan on Scott's phone. So you can see the 2 are giving exactly the same information. That information is being sent up to the phone and to the tablet here, the RVGenius, by the node that's down in the bottom of the RV. All right, now the one important one here is that if you go into the motors section, so that can be the leveling jacks, stab jacks, slide outs, awnings, those types of features, you won't both be able to do it at one time. And I'll show you what happens. This is for safety, isn't it?
This is for safety.
Yeah, so all right, so let's both go into the motors section. And
you see that we have a slide to unlock on your mobile phone.
Oh, okay, yeah, very good. Yep.
Okay.
All right, so just slide that across because it means that you do want to go into your motors section. We just put that little safety check there just so you know that you are doing what you should be doing. All right, let's just go to awnings for argument's sake. Now, awnings is a good one because you might be on the other side of the RV and you could be out there holding your phone and you can be pushing the awning out and making sure that it doesn't crash into a tree or some other obstacle which is out there, knocking some kid over if you're doing the slide out. Don't want to be doing that. All right, so on awnings, so I'm going to extend one awning here, and you can see as I do that, you can hear it in the background. As I do that, Scott's phone went in there with a couple of yellow icons. Scott, you do it back the other way and retract awning 1,
okay.
And I'm going to get, there we go. So I'm locked out. I cannot press this now. And again, that's a safety device. You don't want 2 people trying to play with this. It's going to make a mess of it. It's going to be a very expensive mess. But what we've done to prevent that is we've actually locked the other person out. So as soon as one's going, any other device is actually locked out.
That's correct.
All right, I think we've captured it all there. So you can see both devices showing exactly the same information. There we are. Thanks guys, see you next time.